Hey everybody, Jack Rabbit here. Today I'm going to be working on the Master Lock Anniversary Edition. And I'm going to be doing this as a giveaway entry for my good friend Lock Junkie, who has recently hit 400 subscribers. Super big congrats, Lock Junkie, you're awesome. No one deserves it more than you. So Lock Junkie has asked us to pick a lock, shout somebody out, which I'm going to shout out Dean P. I have not shouted out Dean P before. I'm going to link to his channel in the description. Please check him out. And then also, Lock Junkie wanted us to talk about another hobby outside of lock sport that I'm interested in. So first things first, let me come in here and we'll try to pick this lock open. Haven't picked this one open in a while. I know it used to be pretty crunchy to try to get open. But I did toss a little oil in there, so hopefully that helps. So we've already gotten some core movement. Might be a little harder in the vise because I can't really feel the counter rotation as well, but there we go. Look, I had a little counter rotation there. And there we go, got it open. So that's a fun one. I haven't played with that one in a while, but you know, mostly it looks really. It's just a beautiful looking presentation. So cool lock. Yeah, and other hobbies. So one of the big things I've gotten into recently is long distance running. A couple of years ago, the longest distance I had run was 5 kilometers. Now we're up to, I've done 2 marathons. So the first one, the New York Marathon 2024. And then I also, in early 2025, January, I ran the Houston Chevron Marathon. So, and I'm scheduled to run this year. I'm going to be doing a local marathon, and then I'm also going to be doing Chicago Marathon, and then Berlin Marathon. So that's one of my other huge hobbies. So, and I'd recommend it to anybody who wants to challenge themselves. So, thanks, Lock Junkie. Congratulations again. Everyone, please go check Lock Junkie's channel and enter his giveaway. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.